Hey there, this is a tutorial for Porcupine SDK. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a custom voice interface within a couple of minutes. There are 3 steps involved. The first one is to clone the GitHub repository for Porcupine. Porcupine is a wake word engine. A wake word engine is a piece of software that you use every time you say, "OK Google," "Hey Siri," or "Alexa." What Porcupine allows you to do is to bake in that kind of technology in your application or device, and also at the same time choose the wake phrase that matches your brand or offering. Porcupine is a cross-platform engine. It runs on iOS, Android, Raspberry Pi, and a few other platforms. Now we navigate to the root of the repository. The second step is to create the model for the custom wake phrase that we want. For that, you're going to use a tool that is called Optimizer. It's located under Tools, Optimizer, the operating system that you're using, and the CPU type. The first argument is the path to resource directory, which is available in the GitHub repository as well. The second one is the platform that you're going to run the wake word model on. In my case, it's going to be Linux. The third one is the output directory that we're going to save the wake word model in. I'm going to use the root of repository for that. And the last one is the text for the wake phrase that you want to use. I'm going to use Vancouver for this demonstration. If we take a look at the root of the repository, we see the file called Vancouver_Linux.ppm, which is created by Optimizer. The last step is to use that file along with one of the demo applications. I'm going to use Python demo application. The Python demo application is available under demo, Python, Porcupine_demo.py. It accepts one command line argument called keyword file paths. Now the demo application is listening to the microphone, and as soon as I say Vancouver, it's going to detect it and print out the detection time. If I say other words like Victoria, Winnipeg, Toronto, Ottawa, Saskatchewan, they're not going to match the wake word. But if I say Vancouver, it's going to print it again. That's it.